monetizing your content as a content creator and making money is not really as hard as most of you actually think it is. So if you're a content creator who is not really convinced by how much you are making or not even making money yet, simply because you are waiting for that holy grail monetization strategy that a lot of you have in your head, maybe through ad driven or whatever thing you'll be told, then I want you to watch this video till the very end. Because by the end of this video, you are going to get more easy ideas on how you can actually start making money from your audience as the content creator without having to stress yourself too much. Now, one of the best, the first and the easiest method of monetizing as a content creator is the one you've heard over and over again, which is affiliate marketing. As a content creator or as someone who wants to make money off the internet, there is no need in sitting back and waiting for 100 years or 1,000 years, waiting for your followers to mature before you start making money from it. As simple as affiliate marketing is, I wonder why a lot of you haven't tried it. As a content creator, it's basically simple making money with affiliate marketing. So basically, you are already creating the content that is required to make money. The next thing is basically, instead of just creating the content randomly, you can then structure your content in a way that it points to a particular product or service. Next thing, you grab a link of this product or service, and then you add it to the video description or basically display it on your screen. And finally, people click on that link to buy it, and you basically sit back and make money as a creator. So this is definitely one of the easiest ways I would say you can actually use to make money as a content creator. The second method again is basically making money with print on demand. Now, print on demand is another simple and easy way to actually make money as a content creator. Why? Because all you need is simply you make a design, upload it to a website, and that website gives you the final product. You market it to your audience, they buy it, and then you basically make money from it. As simple as that. Now, let me show you a typical example of print on demand. Now, if you come over to my YouTube channel, let me head over to my profile. And if I should come over here, which says store, you are going to see that my profile is actually selling some product. Now, I have t-shirts, I have mugs, I have sweatshirts, and I have different fresh shirts. And for every single video that I actually post on this channel, let me click on this video to watch it. You are going to see that these products are also suggested under my videos, and so you can see them directly here. Now, you can also make this sort of product that I'm showing as a content creator and start making money. And the best part is that it doesn't have to be t-shirts and mugs alone. You can make phone covers, different cases depending on the website to actually sign up to. Now, how this works is simple. The first thing is simply you come over to a website like Teespring. Now, basically search for Teespring on your browser. Now, what Teespring does is basically simple. You create a design, you upload it onto there, and then they are going to give you whatever material you need to place it on. This could be shirts, normal shirt like one I'm wearing. It could be mugs. It could be phone covers. It could be several different things. It could be calendars or different books. And basically, once you place it on it, what do you do next? You just promote it by your YouTube channel. Tell people know that okay, I'm creating this creator's merch or this particular product, this t-shirt or something. You might like it. You basically come over here, they click on buy, they buy it, you sit back and make your money as easy as this. So guys, the point number 3 here is simply freelancing. Now, as a content creator, one of the easiest market to actually make money is by promoting whatever service you are offering. Now, as a freelancer, all you basically do is simply offer services over the internet. I offer services such as website setup, social media management, video editing, graphic design, UI and content creation mentorship. Now, I offer all of these services as a content creator. Now, why am I offering this? Because I've got to build skills alongside the content that I'm creating and I'm making money from them as well. Now, on the other hand as well, you don't have to set up a website to list your services like mine. And if you don't have a skill, you don't have any skill that you want to market as a content creator, you can basically learn the basic one, which is content writing. And when it comes to content writing, you can learn this skill on YouTube. You basically search for content writing tutorials. You're going to get a lot of videos. Now, once you get these videos, the next thing is basically you can actually use AIs like ChatGPT, DeepSeek to actually help you write content when you get a client. Now, how do you get a client? Simple. You come over to a freelancing website like Fiverr, and then other freelancing website that you could actually think of out there. You basically come over to this website, you sign up, you list your services there, and make sure you let the people know that what you are using AI to do these services for them. Like if you come back to Fiverr, they have the AI services option. You go for that particular option, you sign up as an AI service provider. Now you could be generating images for people or whatever thing, and you basically promote these services via your main YouTube video or your Facebook videos, and you can start making money from it as well. It's not really that hard. You just have to accept that it's going to be hard and you get it done. Remember, it's not really that hard, but you have to accept that it will be hard before you start it, so you don't give up halfway, you don't see results the same day you get started. So guys, these are basically my 3 favorite, not easy, but so easy method of actually making money as a content creator. Now, basically take any of this monetization method, put your head into it, work on it, and you can basically start generating results instantly. Now, before we sign out, if you are someone out there who is in need of any digital service, such as content creation, website setup, graphic design, video editing, so forth and so on, do well to actually let me know. My website link will be there in the video description.